MySQL also, DB installation that we'll discuss, but better. What are the things we're going to discuss today? Please understand. Please observe the one sec, please. We discussed the load balancer, auto scaling, application load balancer, network load balancer. What is the advantage of auto scaling? Everything. Yes, sir? No. Think like what is the thing happening? Please understand. Now, please understand, sir. We created a one server. We launched a one web page. Yes, sir. We put it that IP in the web browser. Content was displaying. Yes, sir. This we done. Okay. Same thing in application load balancer also. We linked multiple server. Same web page content. Now the same web page content. We'll get an application load balancer on URL, DNS name. Something with the, it can be any name, sir. What is the name you're giving? The DNS name you're going to open. Web page content was coming. This web page is content is coming from the server which you attach the application load balancer. Yes, sir, no, sir. Anytime, what is the server you attach to the application load balancer or network load balancer? If the server got destroyed, automatically application load balancer also become down. Yes, sir, no, sir. To protect that one, we use the auto scale. How that was, sir? Correct. Now, these are the DNS name. What the thing we given? Application load balancer name. What the name you given? By that name, we are getting DNS. Yes or no, sir? Correct. Server into the server web page by using IP. We go to hit the IP, but this can't be any server. It is a content. No, if I want to display from any of the website, I can't use like this. Understand my point, sir? In application load balancer, we get the DNS name. Correct? That DNS name is not proper. Any name you can give. By that name, you get on URL. By using that URL, you are able to content. Right? But I want to change this content what they display. Sir, I want to display the one of the website. Things like I want to take Western technology or let me take Gujarat technology. Gujarat technology, I want to launch a website with the Gujarat technology. That is the domain name. That is the domain name or website name. Domain name, please understand. Application load balancer DNS name, you are getting the content. That is not a proper name. That is not a proper. That is coming from the EC2 instance what we launched. Correct? What the advantage from normal EC2 instance application load balancer meaning? Yes, in EC2 instances, we created the defined upon only on integer server. Please understand, very important. Here, what the server is creating, that website if you launching, that depend upon only one server. We put that IP, the content is coming. Yes or no, sir? Application load balancer, load balancer, anything, classic application network, whatever it is. And what basic URL we created for that load balancer, we attach a multiple EC2 instances. All the multiple EC2 instances have the same web page content. Even out of 10 server, you attach application load balancer. Even 9 server got destroyed also. From 10th server, content is coming. Correct? To protect the load balancer, we use the auto scaling. When our load balancer found less than 3 EC2 instances, AWS should only create a new servers of mentioned configuration. Mentioned configuration launch configuration create ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, sir. Auto scaling. Okay, yes or no, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But the application load balancer DNS what it gets, that is not a proper. That is not a proper. What the name we getting that? So I want to create my new website. So I need to buy a domain. PraveenTechnologies.com. I want to create a new website. PraveenTechnologies.com or Linux.com, any web. That domain name I need to buy from the GoDaddy. This is how the production servers work. Production Facebook.com and Facebook.com is the application load balancer. By using Facebook.com, by Instagram.com or Twitter.com, no website will be having the same name as a load balancer. That is the domain name we bought from the online. That is the domain name bought from the domain name. E-domain name. Now I am going to link it to server also. I can link it to application load balancer also. From load balancer, content is taking and passing to this domain name. I'm going to take that one. To buy domain name, you need to pay 1,500 rupees. If you pay, if you're ready, you can go try, do and try now. I bought the website by paying money for each batches for 1 year, 3 batches. I'm going to pay and do. But since if I do normally, you will not understand. So I bought the domain name from GoDaddy. I'm going to show you now. Correct? If you want to try, after reaching home, you can give me. I can provide my domain name. I can provide my domain name. You can. Whenever you're trying anything, but here you can try. After reaching home, if you want to try, you can ping me. I can give my domain name. And again, the server you should give me. I'm going to append it. But when I am free, I can do. Yeah, I can do. But right now, I want to know what I've done. I got a domain name from GoDaddy. GoDaddy is the domain provider. You need to pay the money and buy the domain name. From that domain name, now both I need to give the application load balancer or server details to GoDaddy. GoDaddy details to application load balancer. Because both need to communicate data. Understanding, sir? Understanding, sir? We got the application load balancer or EC2 instance IP and the normal single instance no ನಾನು website create ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Single instance also I can link it to website. Load balance also I can link it to website. S3 bucket I'm going to cover. S3 bucket website also I can link it to website. Correct? I'm going to do both the way. I'm going to do first is server only. Understanding, sir? Yes, no, clear, sir? No. Before, how the domain resolution will happen? This I told in Linux also. Again, I'm going to cover. Then I'm going to cover 2 topics today. This will cover. After this, I'm going to cover VPC endpoint also. Please provide me the more time today. This area. This other. Any website, if you open, let me take that. So if people want to on the fan, let them on. But recording is go bad, I can't help. I'm thinking about I'm also suffering here. Correct? People are spitting out. I can't hear. Correct? You should inform your coordinator. I already informed. I want that. So no, they didn't give. Correct? If the recording will go bad, that you should not ask. Correct? When I am speaking, when your family is running, my voice also becoming low. That's another one. Clear? No. Let me open. Let's think about you opening the Instagram.com. You bought new mobile or new laptop. How this going to website going to resolve? Domain name going to resolve. First I'm going to explain this topic. Suppose you opening Facebook.com, it would have told in CCNA also, it would have told in DevOps also. It's not right answer. How the domain is a DNS, domain name resolution happen? Anything that any website, any content is happening in the online, the content is happening back end is the IP only. Front end is the domain name, back end it is the IP. Correct? Front end is the domain name, back end is the IP. Any content is coming from the internet. If the content is coming from one of the server, which is launched publicly. It's launched wherever. Any data is coming from the internet. The data is coming from the one of the computer which is remotely located and launched via web. Basically IP. Basically IP. Getting my point, sir? Correct. Now think like you need, sir. Asha and Guru. Both are what the mobile. He having the old mobile. Same. He having Samsung Galaxy. He also bought the same configuration Samsung Galaxy, but he using from past 1 year. He bought first time. He tried to open the Facebook.com. I have not told in Linux class also, but I repeat on that because it's linked to topic. That he tried to open Facebook. First time opening, he already opened. In which mobile was faster? New mobile. New mobile. Who told you mobile? Someone told you mobile. You told me. Okay. How's it? What mobile don't have? Both are using sitting next to neck. Both are Western. Sitting both using same Wi-Fi, same internet, everything. Okay. First time we come to Bangalore. Satya is for a long time. Who knows route better? Who knows better, sir? Satya and Ravi Kumar. Ravi Kumar came from now. Came to Bangalore now. Satya will know. The new mobile because he will be knowing routes. Alright. First time. Browser के चलता है sir. When you open website, क्या browser के चल. Earlier you will open website that work faster. ಇದೊಂದು B2 ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ that loads at least 2 to 3 seconds will take. Next time you open it will work in 3 milliseconds. How? What the data you are going to access on the server, it is stored in the browser cache. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ cache ಅಂತ ಫ್ರೀ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ cache ಅಂತ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು cache ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ catch D will come. I'll show you 1 second. Linux ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ Ubuntu also should come. These are the cache entry. What are the server access in the sites? What are the history where server access it? It is the cache. Are details in browser cache. Web browser Chrome browser cache there are details. If website free, you see the website already have the details where it is located. I want to go Jayanagar. Satyan or Ravikumar don't know. Ravikumar what you do? You follow Google Map. Satyan knows the shortcuts. Correct, sir? You go faster because you already have a dedicated address. First, I need to go to corporation. From there, I need to go. Otherwise, correct, sir? Otherwise, I can go to Samrajpet. From there, also can go. These two routes is the faster. Where the more traffic also you know. Correct, sir? When you go to the other thing here, Ravikumar doesn't know anything. You need to follow Google Map. Correct, sir? When you visiting any website, new mobile till now is not access to the internet only. First time opening Facebook account. It doesn't have any idea. First, what it going to check? Any website when you opening, this name is the introduction. www.google.co.in markira. How the website going to open? What are the back end process of it? They have told in CCNA. Dora process the class ready. Dora process. Yes, sir. At the time I will explain you. Again, I want to go to row 50. Correct, sir? First, open mode. First, it go to check the browser cache. Browser cache and the history of the pre-existing visited website. This is a new website, new company, new mobile. It doesn't have entry. The browser cache doesn't have address. Suppose the browser cache has interest, it going to return. This is the address of the Instagram. Go on there. The browser cache doesn't have entry. Then it go to check the internet service provider cache. With internet using Act, Airtel, Jio, Tata, what are the things? That having a dedicated server of the important website. Internet service provider having your master server, that having a list of the cache details of the important website. That having address. Suppose B2 website of internet service provider cache is done. Understand my point, sir? First is going to check the local browser cache. Correct? If it passes there, it has an address, it going to go to directly that address. Yes, sir. Second, it going to check the internet service provider server cache. Correct, sir? In internet service provider cache, if address is mentioned, it going to get the address and send the email. Yes, sir. Third one, unlock file. Then third option is going to global DNS search. Global DNS search. Any website, what is the ending will be .com irbodu, .in irbodu, .org, .edu, any other thing, .co.in. Yes, sir. It's all called as a what? Top level domain. These all called as a top level domain. These all called as a top level domain. These all top level domain will have your master server. .com to master server. .in bondo. Correct? My website ending with .com. Then after doing global DNS, it's going to contact the master.com cache server. Correct? That server I can details of Instagram. So it's going to get that. First time communicate madalaga, idara step by step. Next time already still is that. So it's going to continue. Understanding the here this is called that domain name resolution. Domain name resolution. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ವೆಬ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ದು EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ GoDaddy details ಬಂದು EC2 instance. They both have become friends. Both you communicate. So my new website going to take the content from the EC2 instance. We can do from EC2 instance also. Load balancer also we can do from S3 bucket also. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Got it, but what this you can mention on project also. Domain linking the 4 to 5. Road 53. This is very good, sir. Load balancer ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, EC2 instance ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, application load balancer ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, auto scaling ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. But I do not happy with the DNS name provided by the AWS. AWS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು application load balancer name ಕೊಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅದೇ DNS name ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But I am not happy with the website name what they are getting. I want to create my own domain name. It should be accepted for everything. That's the thing. YouTube.com is YouTube.domain name. Backend ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು load balancer ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That load balancer has multiple servers. That load balancer got redirected to YouTube.com. That domain name bought from the GoDaddy. Understood? Yes? No. Getting the yes, sir. Respond back. Clear? No. Those who want answers, we can on it, sir, please. I can't see the suffocated environment people use suffering, sir, please. Okay. Really important. That's also what I coordinate. And this one is okay. What I'm printing. Not the main thing. Yes, the drone is still doing something. Okay. Come back. Coming or not? Fine, right? Okay, little bit. If you want to increase, anyone want to go and increase there? Anyone want to increase? Go only that. Now, sir. Observe now. Now, first, I'm going to do, you people, because you don't have domain name, completely I'm going to do today. Completely I'm going to do, please understand. I'm going to give a fresh EC2 instance. First batch I done on EC2 instance. That may be having, let me see. I would have already had the. On this server only, already I am the web page content. Server, not, I don't know. Let me see. Data. This is a normal server. This container website will open. That is the point. Correct? So we have an online GoDaddy website. This is the domain registration website. You can start your own company. Launch on EC2 instance, own website. If you know HTML language, write the HTML language. Link buy a domain name here. Satya.net. This is Ravi.net. This is .net.com. What are the things? Use the EC2 instance. Link it here. Your website will be ready. It will be accessible from anywhere. Your website need to be on from only 9 to 6. Schedule it. Automatically inform to AWS people. You need to automatically alarm this cloud watch. We have the event scheduling. Start on 9 to 6 p.m. On it, one website will be ready. If anyone starting new starter company, we're going to do like that only. No, but since we don't have much, we are not sure about whether we're getting profit or not. Everyone go to cloud only. Once again, projects alla barta iddo, profit barate anta gap we get a proof, then we're going to build a separate website, separate dedicatedly. Clear, sir? Let me log in, sir. Already logged in, I think so. My products. What are the domain name I bought? Last year, I bought some other domain. That project got. I bought a one website. What the domain name I bought? I don't know. Something Praveen or something. This one. This is my domain name. Before 2 years, before last year I bought this. Every year I'm buying new thing because to renew this thing we need to pay 5,000. To buy we are only 1,000 rupees. So I bought a new domain name. This is the domain name I bought. If you want to buy any domain name, you can go and you can purchase it here. This is my domain name. I go to my domain. See, it's end by October 18. October 18. What is the additional thing you can do? Any other domain name if you want, we can buy it. But before that, I'll go to, please understand, sir. I go to domain manage DNS. I'll go. Please understand, one sec. Here is the important part, name servers. What are the things you need to change it? I'll tell you. You'll get the important details. Name server. This is the thing you should modify, sir. Correct? If I'm, please understand. Understanding, right? We need to buy the domain name. After buying the domain name, here are the details I need to communicate. These details I need to copy paste on Route 53. From Route 53, I'm going to the EC2 instance. Ready? Server is ready. I'm going to create a Route 53. Route 53 ಅಲ್ಲಿ DNS name ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ DNS name ಇಲ್ಲಿ mention ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. This Praveen Adda.in, I'm going to mention Route 53. Both need to be friends. Then it will be done. Only 4 steps only, but integration level, you should think how much effective it is. Clear, sir? Yes, sir? Correct. I'm going to do now, please. Please understand, sir. It will take at least 30-40 minutes to sync up. Immediately it won't work. Since it's a free version, we paid a limited amount. When you go in a company, they're going to put dedicatedly syncing option. Within 2 seconds only it will happen. But we are using the little bit higher than free version. That's it. So it will take 34. But today within the class, it's going to work. Within the class, it's going to work. I'm going to Route 53, sir. Route 53 is the input. It's going to take from the EC2 instance. EC2 instance is ತಗೊಂಡು praveenadda.in GoDaddy ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ content ನ praveenadda.in ಅಲ್ಲಿ display ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Correct, sir. This is how, if you know the HTML language, if you know the anything language related to the computer science, you can develop your own website where you can write the HTML language. You can create your own website. Without that also you can do. I'm telling you. Get started. I'm going to click on create screen share, sir. I'm going to click on create worksheet zone. I'm going to click on get started. Here is the domain name I'm going to mention. Domain name. What the domain name I'm? This is my domain name. Yes, sir. Praveenadda.in. This I'm going to mention. Yes, sir. Correct, sir. Description optional, that's not required for me. Leave it. It's your public, sir. It should be accessible inside your VPC. Nama official master display ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then your private. I want to create a public. Correct, sir? I'm going to click on create hosted zone. Then, sir, this is important, sir. Will not easy. I'm going to select NS, sir. Name server. Detail ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ನನಗಿದು. ಈ detail ನ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ Route 53 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Route 53 detail now already GoDaddy details already mentioned in Route 53. Now Route 53 details I'm going to mention in the GoDaddy. So both the communication done. Understanding, sir? So this website content is going to go in the GoDaddy praveenadda.in. Understanding, sir? Clear, right? First I'm going to do this thing. Give me 1 minute, sir. I need to copy paste it. I go to server. I think some dot is there here. Some dot in the end, I feel so. Yeah, dot is there. I need to remove dot. I'm going to use the shell script. Dot dollar. Remove dot, sir. Dot is the last UK dot. Yes, sir. I remove dot. I'm going to paste now. I'm going to GoDaddy. Ilogtine name server. Change name server martine. This I'm going to remove. This I'm going to remove. I'm going to edit. Delete. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Understanding yes or no, sir? So anybody getting confused? Nikhil or Rakesh? Getting, sir? Clear, Ujjwal? All understanding, right? Please. So those who want to try with yourself, no need to buy. You can ping me. I can give my domain name. You can log in. I will give my username and password. Correct? Clear, sir? Anyone want to do? Do I do? Last section. What happened? I closed it on WhatsApp. Came back. Sorry. I need to do it 1 second, sir. Sorry. One. Son. Understanding, sir. Sleeping. Huh? Sleeping. Okay. Last section. Also verify ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. See 5916411412 Yes, sir. 16411412 Yes, sir. ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. 591641 5916. Correct? Now I click on save, sir. That's it. Now we communicated our load balancer, our route 53. Click on continue. Now GoDaddy website which I bought, that I informed to route 53. Route 53 given the name server, that I updated in the GoDaddy. Now both able to communicate digitally. Now only one thing I need to do, I need to create a record. Record option is there. This. How the website need to listen. Bari praveena.in idre saka illa www.praveena.beka subdomain. I don't want. I'll just mention praveena only. That's it. This I'm going to mention server IP. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಬೇಕು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. I don't want this thing. Getting correct? ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲಿಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂತ. ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಲೋಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೀಜನ್ ಬೇಸ್. ಮುಂಬೈ ಅಂತ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮುಂಬೈ ಲೋಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದಿತ್ತು ಬಂತ ಲೋಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. That's it. You want to take from IP? You want to take from load balancer? You can do it. Getting my point, sir? No. You can take from this also. I'm going to tell that also. You can choose the S3 bucket. S3 bucket also you can say. You want to select from S3 bucket content, web page content. S3 bucket upload ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಫೈಲ್. ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ನ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Understanding, sir? Clear, sir? I'm going to take right now with IP only. Server IP only. What is IP? 13.233.56.103. Clear, sir? Understanding this thing? Clear, sir? Any doubt? Now I need to tell little bit explanation of simple routing. It's a simple way of routing what we're doing. What do you mean by weighted, sir? Based on the, I need to, when you click on weighted, I'm going to create a weighted. Suppose in Mumbai region, I created a route 53 now. I want to create this website, privatetechnology.com, in google.com. Google.com is there for everything world. Howda? Google.co.in kotra India kai. Google.co.uk kotra UK. Every region .com is the mine. From there got divided. Yes or no, sir? But content is taking from .com only. As the country, it's going to divide. That's the weighted. So weighted is nothing but on my website is there. From that website, I'm going to divide. It's going to, when the more traffic is there, I want to divide for the clear the for dividing the traffic, not where the dividing the website traffic. Getting my point, sir, that will come understanding, right? Yeah. Other file over. Suppose India, I want in the India only, I want to convert 2 to 3 sums. You want the primary and secondary. One got 5, second immediately should switch the second server. Second row. Mumbai is completely down. Hyderabad is there. You go to file over there. Understanding my point, sir? Clear understanding. Latency meaning is what? Latency meaning. CCNA people who are computer system. This is a basic code they should have told you. Who are computer system, I know. I know, sir. People who computer. Please, I'm not questioning, I'm just asking who are computer system. Tell me frank. Tell me frankly. Last people know on computer. Satya. Here, no computer system. Latency means what? Ping command, ping command. Ping command will get you 0% percentage loss. Sometime 100 times you call. Okay, let me take an example with the mobile phone. I'm calling Nitish. Out of 10 times, 8 times it's reachable. 2 times it's not reachable. That is called the packet. Ping command packet loss. Packet loss. Yes or no? That is called that many times it's not able to. Out of 120% time it's not reachable. That's the thing. When anybody, Abhishek, Manjunath is accessing a website. He's accessing from India region. He's accessing from UK region. From where 100% without 0% packet loss is able to reach, from that Cloud 56 goes to recover. More the latency is fast. More the time, more latency is equal to reachable. Rather than technology. I can come from West of Cloud Road, I can come from Malaysia. Which route is more faster reachable? That's called 100% reachable. Correct, sir? Geolocation of the idea. That means same website is configured in different locations. Correct? If suppose Bangalore website become down, India region down, same website we access it take the data from the Virginia. That becomes geolocation. Understand your point, sir? Simple routing is a single direction, unidirectional. File over, it's file other in one website, I don't pick up. Secondary. Geolocation, same website is configured in different locations. If one location becomes down, the other location is down. Understanding? Any doubt, any confusion? Yes, sir. Any doubt, any confusion? Yes or no? No, sir. Clear, sir. Sure. Please. Now I'm going to create I'm going to provide a single routing only, but I told you how can you route from the load balancer. You need to click on alias here. Alias click ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. If you want to route from load balancer. If you click on load balancer, you will get to know. Application ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, network ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Correct, sir? If you want to route from S3 bucket, sir. Yes, sir. Right now, I'm not taking alias. I'm taking the directly only the server only. Directly taking the server IP 13.233.56.103. Correct, sir? 13.233.56.103. Okay, sir. I'm going to create a record now. It will take at least 15 to 20 minutes at least. After 15 to 20 minutes, it's going to display. I'm going to hit the Praveen at the dotting. it's going to display this content. Yado test 53 anta madidina, road 53 anta ee content barbeku. Now I'm going to type the private network routing. It's not going to work. It will take some time because it need to get synced up within the class. It will happen, but until this coming, I can cover another topic called as a VPC endpoint. VPC endpoint. This will take time. Now, private gateway. You have a private server create ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I want one person to tell all the steps. What are the things you're going to use the private server? Private server. Step by step. Otherwise, I'll pick up the person. I'm going to pick up the person only better. Nandan sir. I want to create a public server. What are the steps is allowed? Tell me. Starting in the VPC in the. Start. Public server. Can't tell me. Public server, what are the components involved? What are the steps you're going to do from VPC? Yes, sir. You're telling it right only. First, we're going to create a VPC. Okay, next. One second. VPC. VPC. Then in next, subnet create ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. road table create ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. NAT ಬರುತ್ತೆ public ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Other person not going to speak. I'm going to take with each person. Don't worry. Correct. Yes, sir. VPC subnet ಆಮೇಲೆ internet gateway ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Internet gateway created. Where you going to attach? Nobody going to speak. Yes, sir. Internet gateway, I'm talking public server. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ VPC. Then next step. Route table create ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Route table ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0.0 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇಂಟರ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. These are things we need to do for public server. Public server meaning is outside also server should be accessible. Server also should be able to access the internet. Yes or no, sir? Yes or no? Yes, sir. ಇದೇ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವಿತೌಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನನಗೆ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪಿಕ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಸರ್. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು. I don't know, sir. You coming, not coming? Coming. Am I taking class? Yes or no? You can't tell me that. I'll go with Nitish. Right, sir. What are the components you need to do? Tell me what is all the steps. Instead of skipping that you don't know, at least you can try. Can do like that. Yes, sir. Nitish. Yes, sir. Right, sir. What are the things you need to do? Under same APC, what are the things? So one thing I'll tell you, I'm questioning you not to hurt you. Please, don't take me in the wrong way. I'm questioning you to get the best of you. The people who really hurt you only, they're only good people. If you're going and coming and doing, no, that doesn't matter. What you understand, please, don't take me in wrong way. Every time he's questioning, every time he's torturing us. Don't feel like that, sir. Please. Yes, sir. Private server concept is what? From outside, server should not be accessible. Server should be accessible only inside the VPC. Public server should be able to access private server. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೇಳಿ. What you know you can answer. Not everyone. First step, what we do? VPC, already VPC created. Okay. Who going to take kind lift answer? Satya and Priyanka madam and any other person? Manikandan, you tell me, sir. Yes, sir. Great subnet. Good. I don't want internet. I don't want internet. Next. Route table. That's it. That's it only, right? And associate the subnet. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ಗೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅದೇ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೌಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ದ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್. Correct? How you going to create a route table that matters public? Public route table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು. route table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ route table ಗೆ NAT ಗೇಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್. NAT ಗೇಟ್ ಇಂದ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಸರ್? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಸರ್? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸರ್? ನೋ. This you already discussed. Why I am clicking this point to VPC endpoint? That is the matter for me. This is the advanced topic not covered in your syllabus, but I am going to tell you it will be very advantageous thing what I am going to tell you. The private server, please understand, please. My private server wants the interconnection. Outside people not able to connect. That one day security is done. But my server need to download the packages. For that I require internet. Correct? Easy to in the S3 bucket access ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ? Role ಇಲ್ಲ. Easy to do S3 access with the role. Yes sir, we create a role, we attach it. That also inside the leave outside internet connection. HTTP finger packet that one leave it. I want to access the S3 bucket in my account from private server. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ internet connection ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. Correct sir? ಅದಕ್ಕೂ internet connection ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. Getting my point, sir? Correct? That any of my internet, my server is connected to internet. But some clients are very much specific. They are very much afraid. My server is connected to internet. I want to connect. I don't want to connect. Download the HTTP packet. I don't want to install any of the M command. I want to access only S3 bucket in my account. Correct, sir? For that also required internet connection. But some client people are very much afraid. They don't want to allow any of the internet connection to connect any of my services also. Right, server ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? NAT gate attach ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ internet connection ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We are able to download the packages. We are able to reach Google also. Yes or no? But there are chances the client people are right. There are chances anyway internet is connected, my data can be hacked. ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ access will hack it. Any of outside people not able to connect. But if they connect to internet, there are chances. Cyber security is coming. What the? Huh? Somebody in the company. I got off my laptop in hand. You only from morning also you done from mobile. Some sound came the morning of the Python class. Your friend. I'm waiting for that one. Okay. Clear? Now, somebody in the internet, when server is connecting to internet, somebody in Anchor or anyone can connect. Any outside people not able to that is on security we done. 90% security. When you server connect to internet, midway, you try to download some package, some third party packet try to download, the third party having a virus or anything. There are chances. And again, my client is a condition. I don't want to connect like any of the extra services. I want to access only of the AWS services only. For AWS services connection also, I require internet. That is the concept. But my client don't want to connect to internet. NAT gateway use model is type that. Because NAT gateway connect to internet. Yes, sir. Inside AWS services, how we can connect without internet? That is the thing we going to achieve by using the VPC endpoint. Understanding? Understanding the that's the thing I'm going to demo both the things now. I'm going to show the private server. I'm going to do private server, private subnet ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. Again I'm going to do because if I directly do it only 5 minutes you can complete it. If I do like that you won't get the different question ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು interview ಅಲ್ಲಿ. What is the difference between VPC endpoint and private server? I want to access only S3. Scenario is in secure way. I want to access my S3 bucket which is in my account, but in secure way. Which one will you go? You go for a public server, private server, VPC endpoint. VPC endpoint. One word answer. Correct? What's the difference? So I'm going to demonstrate all the things. Please understand later. Asakti sir. Please. Narration. It completes. Working it may take some time. So it anything now. Take some time. Let's see. Okay, no problem. But within today's class, it will come. Don't worry. Come back here. Now, let me. I already hang server. I feel so. There my server. It's easy to instance. It's easy to instance. I don't know. 820. Okay. Come back, sir. Yeah. I learned both the things. I'm going to show first public and private. Then I'm going to create VPC endpoint. Okay. Please observe, sir. Don't do anything. Public, I got it. Let me note down, sir. I'll note down everything. Please understand. Later you can do. Public server. Please understand, sir. Please understand. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Please. VPC ID. No delay. Okay. I'm going to mention subnet. Yeah. No. Observe, sir, you know. Please observe. This subnet should have the internet gateway. This is a public server, sir. This subnet should have the internet gateway. Then it's a public. Let me verify first. Is there, sir? Internet gateway attached. Yes, sir. It's a public server, right? Clear? Yes, no. Clear, sir? No. Your route table ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ sir ನಾನು. We required, we mention the route table also. And mention the route table. ಇದು public ಆಯ್ತು. Next, private. Same VPC, I need to collect under same VPC. I go here. This is a private server. This is private. Yeah, this is private server. Here I'm only private IP. Private IP. VPC ID. Same F94B. Yes, sir. Next to subnet. Yes, sir. Same VPC ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬೋದು ನೀವು. F94B. Yes, sir. Clear. Next ಬಂದು ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ NAT gateway ಇದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಬಂತು. Internet gateway should not be there. Drag down route table. Aita, is all the connected? Now I'm going to connect the first server, public server. From that server, I'm going to connect to the private server. Correct? My goal is I want to access the S3 bucket from S3 bucket from this one, private server. ಇವಾಗ NAT gateway ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು. ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ಗೆ. ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ NAT gateway ಇಂದ. Then I'm going to do the VPC endpoint. VPC endpoint internet connection ಇಲ್ಲ. But I want to access it. Getting my point, sir? Let me do, sir, please. Meanwhile, we'll keep refreshing this here, whether it's working, not working, I should know. Let it come. Let me increase font size. Okay. SSH-I. I log into public server first. TCP-user at the rate of public IP. Connected. From here, I'm going to connect the private server. SSH-I. I already copied PIM key, so I can directly use. What is that? Then ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I try to ping google.com, co.in. This is a private, sir. This is private. Internet connection is not there. Yes or no? Yes or no, sir? You may be having doubt on public now. I'll try to go. I'll exit. Went back to public now. Public is there. Yes or no? I'll try to ping from here, sir. It will work. Because in public server, internet gateway is attached. This proves, sir. No. Yes or no? Yes, sir. No. I connect to private. I'll try to ping now. Correct, sir? No. First, I'm going to provide the internet gateway for private subnet. Very private. Private route table, I go. Yes, sir. I'm going to edit route table. Already I hope so. That gateway is there. I don't know. If not there, we'll create it. Where is route? Edit routes. Edit routes. 0.0. Create ಆಗಿದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Create ಆಗಿದೆ. Yes, sir. Save changes. If not, I should create. NAT gateway should be public. When you create a NAT gateway, last time practical test, lot of people created the NAT gateway in private subnet. NAT gateway internet connection ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು public ಇಂದ. But NAT gateway functionality unidirect. Understood, sir? Now I try to ping, sir. It should work, sir. Working? Super. This is the way you should test in home. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಬಯಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಬಯಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸರ್? ನಾವು I'll do AWS S3 LS. Okay. I attach it or not, I don't know. Let me see. Very easy to instance. These are easy to instance. Let me check in. Yes, sir. I would have done already. I done for last batch activity server. 45 game role. Already attached. I'll give no IAM role. See, sir, yeah. Detach. Enough? No. See now? Detach it, right? Fine. AWS, internet connected. Super. AWS S3 LS ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ? Unable to locate credential. One option to access now any of the services by using this EC2 instances, I need to configure credential. AWS configure ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. AWS configure ಕೊಟ್ರೆ particular user ಆಯ್ತು. Correct, sir? I want to give the temporary access for all the users who are accessing this server. Understand, sir? Roles AWS configure ಮಾಡೋ difference ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Starting ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Yes, sir. If you do AWS configure, we configure for the individual user by access ID and secret access ID. Yes, sir. No. By IAM, know what you're going to do. Who are having access on this particular EC2 instance? I'm giving the access for all the users who are present in this particular server, not the IAM user. Yes or no? That is going to do by role. Yes or no, sir? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now I'm going to create a role. Go to create a role attached to this particular EC2 instance, so they are able to activate. Understand? Now internet is connected. Yes, sir. Can create a role also. Otherwise, last time I already having a role. Better I create only, sir. For you people, little bit. Click on role. Then I click on create role. AWS services. So, EC2 instance. This EC2 instance should be able to access S3. That is my goal. Now I'm going to click on add permission. Check in my mobile, sir. Private net downloading. I'm getting issue. S3. Will take on 30-40 minutes or sometime, but let's see. EC2, S3, access. What is the date today? Feb 1. Done. Yes, sir. I created role now. I'm going to EC2 instance. Please observe, please observe, please observe, please observe. I go to actions, security, IAM, modify IAM role. ಈ login. Feb 1 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಂತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಲ್? Yes, sir. Update IAM role now. Now I'll try to access the S3 bucket. It should work. One option we can configure. That is by access ID, secret access ID. That is for only for that particular user. If we do this thing, who are having access on this server? They're able to do. Came bucket. Came, sir. Yes or no? But ಇಲ್ಲಿ internet connect ಆಗಿದೆ. My client is telling, I don't want to expose my server to internet. So VPC endpoint picture will come. This anyone having doubt, sir? Having doubt? Yes? No? No? Okay. I'll check in my mobile once, sir. Give me some time. How much time? 10-15 minutes completed. Working. My laptop issue. Yo, check the Praveen@.in. Coming. Check it now. Always my catch having issue. Very time it will do. Working. Yes. Then you also catch it. Check in mobile online. Banta. Fine. Here, sir. This is how we can launch a website. I will be happy. I won't be happy. Working now. Abdana. Clear. Come back now. Or travel. Not delay. Come back now. Come back now. Let's start with the VPC endpoint now. You are nodding, sir. No delay. Come back. Now, I'm going to VPC. This not will come under solution architecture. This is advanced topic which we will be doing in office. That's the thing I'm trying to help you type with this thing. Somewhere you able to see endpoint or somewhere. Please, sir, here. Please observe. Come back. I'm going to do now. Please understand. Please. Before that, I'll remove the internet connection from this route table. I'm going to edit route. Please understand. Please. I'm going to click on edit routes. I'm going to remove the NAT gateway. Save changes. Now internet is not connected. I'll try to do AWS S3 LS. Now it won't work. I removed the NAT gateway, sir. Yes, sir. I removed the NAT gateway. You can observe now. Under private route table. This is there. Correct, sir? Correct? Internet is not connected now. Ping martini. Ping also won't work. But I want to access S3 services without internet. I don't want to download any package from outside, but I want to communicate inside the AWS account. Without AWS S3 LS ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ನೀವು internet connection ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. Normal ಆಗೋದ್ರೆ. VPC endpoint ಅಲ್ಲಿ they are going to create a gateway without internet. They are going to create a static device which they provide the internal internet within AWS account. Clear, sir? That I'm going to do now. Understanding? Yes, sir. Clear. Last two steps. Please understand how much advantage this role makes you. VPC open here. Okay. Not really. Endpoints is ile. Endpoints. Yes, sir. Endpoints. Clear? I click on endpoints. I'm going to create an endpoints. I'm going to name it VPC EC2 S3 endpoint. AWS services only. I drag down illy. What I want to access? I want to access S3. Search for S3. You'll get in here. Is the reason based up AP South is there. You need to select the gateway only, not interface. You need to select the gateway only. Understanding, sir? Select the gateway only. I select the gateway. Drag down VPC. Your VPC on the Jan 22 VPC. If you want to select, see the VPC. F9 4B. F9 4B. F9 4B. Yes, sir. No. I'll drag down. This is important, sir. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೌಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರೌಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. We need to select the private route table. What is the private table? 6 to 6C. 6 to 6C. You want to verify? 6 to 6C. 6 to 6C. Yes, sir. You want to verify once again the route table? See here now. They should not be having the NAT gateway. They should not be having the NAT gateway. Click on the routes. NAT gateway illa. That's it. Now I'm going to select the route table. Done. That's it. It should be full access only. I'm going to provide full access. Create a endpoint. That's it, sir. Done. Now I'll do. To prove you, ping once again. Internet is not connected, but I should be able to access the S3 bucket. But I should specify the region here. -- region is equal to AP South -1. So, what the possibilities? Understanding? This and all of it known teaching. This I struggle for 1 month. Step by step, we should learn. They will tell that there is a requirement. They give 10 days, 15 days time. It is a good offer. Like ACL. I don't know if they are also like it's able by one. Yes, sir. Without internet ping enough. But you able to this is only internal. Let me point them. TBC endpoint provides the static device which is going to provide the internal connection only inside the AWS services to communicate. It is not exposed to the external. Got my point? Understood? This also you can mention if you have time, you can do now if you want to do. Simple. Private subnet, we will create endpoint ಮಾಡಿ private route table ಗೆ NAT gateway remove ಮಾಡಿ attach ಮಾಡಿ on 5 minutes you can complete. You want to do it. Don't want to do it, sir. So steps ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. You already hanging on custom VPC, right? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 route table ಇದೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ private route table. ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? Yes. If there are not, sir. No? Okay, no problem. After here, I'll tell you. If you don't have custom VPC, also no problem. You hanging on default VPC. Default VPC ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ರೌಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ ರೌಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಗೆ ಈ ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ on the route table don't attach the internet gateway. NAT gateway ಬೇಡ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. But you will connect a server, you need to create public server, server authentication, password authentication. Take on 15-20 minutes. Able to do it. Concept of like concept got it clear, sir. This can mention some project. I'm doing multiple things. It depends upon at least making from this project. Yes, sir. Also, ಮಾಡಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ VPC ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದಾಗ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. I write down steps here. Please understand. What you can do if you're doing freshly, if you're doing a default VPC already on EC2 in some public server there. Okay. First you need to enable default VPC need to enable password authentication for public server. Howda? Yes, sir. Then using WinRCP, transfer PEM key to public server. Yes, sir. Then in private server, then you create a subnet, create a private route table, attach the subnet. Take 20 minutes. I'll be here only. Okay. Let's say, madam. Thank you, madam. No. Wait, sir. Satya. Done. Everything create subnet for the root table, which is the ignore. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಶೇರಿ ನಾವು everybody should do, sir. Show and go today. But other issue. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ the EBS, EFS, everything will have a custom direct option. Don't follow that one. Satya Kumar. Okay. EFS also we have direct. In really, just a suggestion. But default VPC need to another already if you have a subnet, subnet and public server create money. Password authentication. Was doing the take the subnet, create on public server. That's what it is. Again, minus the whether take five password, you know. Repeat once again. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು custom VPC already ಇದೆಯೋ already public server ಇದೆಯೋ they can directly create a private server and they can do. People don't have custom VPC, they need to create a new VPC. Otherwise default VPC ಅಲ್ಲ, you need to create a new subnet, attach this thing. You would be having a public server or default VPC, password authentication enable ಮಾಡಿ VNS use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Complete faster. ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ till Yeah. So another 10 minutes I'm going to wait, sir. 10 minutes. That's fit money. That's a fit money. That's a thing. It's triple access. Muthu, you suddenly you're attending mock interview. You should inform me at least one day before.